With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is the largest possible solution for 1 plus sine power 4x equals to what? Cos square 3x n in the interval minus of pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 to positive of 5 pi by 2 we have to find out. Okay, so first of all, this is what my solution part here. Okay, this is my solution part here. It says that the given equation is what? The given equation is what? 1 plus sine power 4x equals to what? Cos square 3x. Right, no difficulty till yet. Okay, so first of all, before moving forward, what I'll do, we know that sine square of theta, right, plus of cos square of theta is equals to what? 1. So from this I can say that cos square of theta will be what? 1 minus sine square of theta, right? No confusion. So from this I can say that now this equation will become this here. This cos square 3x can be written as what? If I distinguish this part here, so this can be written as 1 plus sine 4x equals to what? 1 minus sine square of what? 3x, right? So now what I'll do, I can write this equation in terms of, okay, so first of all we can see that this one and this one cancelling out with each other. So I can write this equation as sine of 4x, right, plus of sine square 3x, okay, which is equals to what? 0. Okay, so now we know, do we know the formula for sine of 3x exactly? My sine of 3x is what? If I write it down here, my sine of 3x is basically equals to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x, right? So this will be 3 sine x minus of 4 sine cube x. You know this property, right? So if I put the value here, so this equation will become, this equation can be done as now sine 4x plus sine square of 3x. So first of all I can write here that 3 of sine x minus of what? 4 sine cube x. So 3 of sine x minus of what? 4 sine cube x whole square is equals to what? 0. Okay, so after this, if I expand this formula using a minus b whole square, so this equation will become what? This will become 3. First of all I'll write this term. Okay, after this I'll write this term. So this will become what? 9 sine square x, right? And after this will be what? Plus of 16 a plus square plus b square plus of 16 sine having the power of 6x, right? And minus of what? 2 into 3 into 4. So basically this will come out as what? Minus of 24. So minus of 24, and sine x into sine cube x will be sine having the power of 4x. And in the last I have what? Plus of sine 4x equals to 0. So moving forward, we will get the equation as 16 of sine 6x, highest power we will write first, right? And after it I have minus of 24 plus this one will be what? Minus of 23. So minus of 23 sine of 4x, and then another power will be what? Plus of 9. This will be plus of 9 sine square x equals to what? 0. Okay, so among all these terms I'll take sine square x common. So taking sine square x common from all these terms, you will receive this as 16 sine 4 minus 23 sine having the power of 2, and here I have only 9 left, which is equals to what? 0. Okay, so I have this equation now. Or I can say that now I have two different solutions for this. First one is what? My sine square x is what? Equals to 0. Or I can say that, and I can say that 16 sine 4, right, minus 23 sine is having the power of 2x plus of 9 equals to what? 0. So if I have to find general solution for this one, which one? Sine square x. We know that in this case my x general solution is what? N pi. This is what? N of pi, where n belongs to what? Integer, or we can say 0, 1, 2, 3, right, up to so on. And here 16 sine 4, right, sine square x plus 9. I can solve this equation what? Using what? Using quadratic property. Okay, this is in the form of quadratic equation for sine square x term. So sine square x, first I will check there root exists for this or not, using the minus of b formula, or we can say that there is a formula to check this quadratic equation, which is what? Minus of b. If you guys want, I can write down here that this formula is what? If I have a equation in the terms of ax square plus bx plus c, right? So I can find the solution of x. Okay, how? The solution of x will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So okay, so here my x is what? Sine square x. So if I solve this equation now in terms of sine square x, so this equation or this formula we are going to receive minus of minus 23. Okay, minus of what? Minus of 23 I have. So this equals to what? Plus minus, right? Plus minus of what? Under root b square. B square is minus of 23 square. Minus of 23 whole square, right? And what? Minus of 4ac. So 4 into 16 into what? 9. And there I have what? Under root here. Divided by what? Divided by 2 into a. So 2 into a will be 2 into 16. So I can write here exactly my 32. Right? 2 into 16 will be 32. So this solution will become what? Minus minus 23 will be what? This is my 23. So minus minus 23 will be 23 plus minus of under root. Okay, so this value will be what? 23 square will be 5 of 29. So 5, 29 minus of what? This product will come out as basically 5 of 76. So 5 of 76 here divided by 32. Clearly I can see that this value is what? Negative. It means that the negative value within the root. And this is what a complex number. This is not a real solution. So I can say that this value does not exist for this one. Okay. Sin square x value will not exist for this one. So I have only what? Solution. Basically we are left with. We are only left with this one. X equals to what? N pi. For n is what? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, right? N is what my integer value here. It says that in the question I have to find what? If I go to the top, I have to find the largest possible solution for this in the interval from minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. Okay, so in this interval I can say that which value is greater, right? We have a solution in terms of n pi. As I just find out, I have a solution x equals to what? N pi. Okay, n is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. If I put 2 here, so 2 pi is the greatest value among all these options. So I can say that option number 2 is the correct option we are looking for.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.